things get boring at the end of earnings season. Not me, because we are getting some of the hottest stocks on the stock market this week. So what are they? Let's dive right in and check them out. We're starting with the big kahuna here, Nvidia. Does it get any more awesome than this chart? Not only have they only missed the one time since our data began there in 2017, but shares again busting out to new highs here in 2020. Is there anything that can stop the stock? I don't know. Gaming is huge right now. They should see good sales. We're getting PlayStation 5 and the new Xbox. Everything is kind of adding up for the perfect kind of conditions for Nvidia. Shares aren't cheap at 58 times their earnings, but who cares, right? With everything else going well. But this is going to be the big one everyone is watching this week. But let's not leave out others. Synopsys, look at this chart. They haven't missed at all since our data began there in 2017. These shares also busting out to new 5-year highs. They also are on the semiconductor side with their software, its chip and system designs. Remember, they're the 15th largest software company in the world. Software has been hot for a while now, and this chart is no exception. Can they beat again? We will see. Then switching over, Alibaba. Now, I have talked about this stock a lot over the years on the Earnings All-Stars. It hasn't been that great of a track record, but as you can see, it's improving a bit here. Since 2017, just the 3 misses, and then it's put together this streak of meet or beats over the last couple of years. So that's good that it's now being a little more consistent on what it does on the earnings report on the earnings side. And these shares too, heading off to new 5-year highs as everybody's buying online around the globe, right? So JD.com, one of its kind of competitors over in China, just reported really solid earnings and sales growth, and a lot of people expecting Alibaba to do the same. Again, these shares aren't cheap, but compared to some of the others reporting this week at 29 times, they're not, at least not super bad nosebleed levels. So we'll see if they can hold this momentum and get further breakout here. And then switching over to the beauty side, Estee Lauder, it had one of the best charts, again, on the street heading into the pandemic. It had that sell-off because they do a lot of sales over in China and Asia. But that business has to be back now, and they've got this great track record. They haven't missed in the last 5 years. Shares not quite breaking out again, but with a strong report here, we could see these shares going up, to another new breakout. Again, they're not cheap, trading at 41 times, but you're not getting anything real cheap with any of these super hot stocks in 2020. And then switching over, our final stock, this was a surprise to me, Deere. I've covered them as well a lot over the last couple of years. They had that great streak going, and then it turned bad. As farmers, they just have taken it on the chin the last couple of years. So you're not buying that combine. Now, Deere also has construction equipment side, and that's what I think people are betting on now. They're betting that, the other division is going to start to shine here. So these shares too, out to new 5-year highs. They put together 3 meet or beats in a row. That's what the green arrows are. And so we'll see if they can continue this slightly better streak here. And if they have enough with the construction side and maybe a rebound in farming side, we shall see, to continue this breakout. But Deere also going to be one to watch this week. So there's never a dull moment, as you can see, as earnings continue to roll in, not at the expectations of a couple of weeks ago, but we're still getting a lot of these hot stocks. So you don't want to miss a single episode of the Earnings All-Stars. I'm going to bring you some more retailers and whatever other hot stocks there are to finish up this earnings season next week. So be sure to subscribe so you're getting all of our videos at zacks.com/YouTube, and I'll see you again next time with some more earnings charts.